Hello Blogineers, your Knott's ambassadors here. Today we are at Knott's Berry Farm to show you the new ride, Knott's Bear-yTales Return to the Fair. Make sure you stay till the end of the video for a POV perspective of the ride.
You just have to be 46 inches to ride by yourself, so technically I can. Since I'm like 48.
You can see the pie factory while you're waiting in the queue. So they have plexiglass to protect people when waiting in line. Don't forget to pick up your 3D glasses.
Just walk your legs as the doors come to a close.
We'll be shooting from this jar of boysenberry jam.
Why, hello! Elderberry here, welcoming you to the Berry Family Pie Factory. I'm so excited I can hardly bear it. Keep collecting those pies.
This is the section with lightning. It's probably the scariest section.
Thanks to you, today has been great. Do come back real.
I got beginner's luck. Beginner's luck.
I got second place, but I'm only 1,000 behind.
Only.
When you're finished, remember to return the glasses in the bin. Once you get out of the ride, you can check out the gift shop, which has a lot of Bear-yTales merch and other merchandise. One of the things you can buy is a stuffed animal of Crafty Coyote, which is one of the characters from the ride.
And when you're in the ride, if you shoot him, then you get like 40,000 points.
Look at this, we have bushy tails. I remember shooting the frogs in the game, so I guess that's one of the other things for sale here. Over here is a picture book of the original story of the original ride. The gift shop also has merchandise from Soapbox Racer, which was a ride that Knott's doesn't have anymore. Lastly, you can buy badges from each of the characters of Knott's Bear-yTales. Here are some prizes you can win by playing the carnival game. We're gonna meet some characters from the ride. That's it for the new Knott's Bear-yTales ride. This ride used to be Voyage to the Iron Reef, and you can watch that video by clicking up here. But before that was Kingdom of the Dinosaurs, and before that was the original Bear-yTales. My favorite part about the ride is how there's so many senses. For example, you can feel heat when you're in the first room because you're in the berry pie oven. You can also smell boysenberry throughout the entire ride, see all the cool animations on the screens, shoot the berries, and there's also cool sound effects. Brother, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part is when I get a high score.
You can come on this ride when Knott's reopens on May 21st. Or if you're a season pass holder, you can come to Knott's for a preview starting May 6th. You can make your reservations online at knotts.com. First, you need to register your season pass. Step 2. Provide your email address and date of birth. Next, check your email to verify your account. Then you may add additional passes. Return to the main page, click Safety and Reservations, then click Reserve Now and choose the type of admission you're looking for. Next, select the number of guests and pick your date and time. Lastly, enter your season pass number. Once your reservation is confirmed, you may print your ticket at home. And now the POV of Knott's Bear-yTales.
Why, hello! Elderberry here, welcoming you to the Berry Family Pie Factory. I'm so excited I can hardly bear it. Now, time's a-ticking, so let's help my family ready for the fair like little berry pies. Every bear is working hard. Hey, pause on that eye. Captain Coyote is at it again, and he's rallying his pups too. Follow those pups and get our pies back. I'd sure love to retire here. With all that sugar, those pots are bound to crash. Keep collecting those pies. thanks to you, today has been grand. Do come back real soon.